Hey guys, I got a 2023 through 25 Lexus RX350. I'm going to show you where the cabin filter is, how to pull it out if you want to change it. Today we're just checking this one before we actually buy one, but it's going to be located behind the glove box here. We're going to need to lower it. We're going to start with the damper here. Disconnect the damper. You just pull on it like that. Now if you look right here, there are these stoppers that stop the glove box from opening all the way. I'm going to just push the glove box in like that, push it down. Put some pressure on it and keep it down on both sides. You might have to go back and forth. Then you can lower the glove box. Now you can actually take the glove box off if you want. You just pull it towards you, it will come right off. You can see how these hinges are set up. And right here is where the cabin filter is located. You're going to take this door off here by squeezing these tabs here, pull towards you. This side does not work like that. It uses these feet that go into the slot. Grab this guy here, and this one is brand new, okay, but you just take the element out of this holder and you'll reuse the holder. When you get an aftermarket filter, sometimes they are labeled on the sides here with airflow direction. The airflow direction is always going to be down. All right, and if you need a filter, I'll have the link down in the description box so you can pick up a new filter. When you get your new one, you want to make sure you push this in all the way, okay, because that door will need to kind of installs a little tricky. So this is sitting up like this. You need to make sure this goes all the way, because the door has these little feet on it right here, okay, that go down in the slots here. We're going to get the left side in, put it in first, and you just push the right side on like that. Okay, you notice that the door goes a certain way when it reads up. Okay, this is just for installation purposes. You get your glove box, stick it back in place. You're going to need to push it. Okay, then you can close it. It'll stay right where it needs to be. Damper. Hook this guy back up. And you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that thumbs up button for me or leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another Lexus video.